Hi there, folks. I hope you are doing well, or as well as can be. I am a little nervous, but very excited and grateful to hold space and share in this intention setting ceremony. I invite you to use this video or this practice as a springboard or a ceremonious launch of the intention to make choices in our life that align with our highest self. So, this intention practice revolves around making choices that align with our core values, making choices that align with self care, compassion, choices that bolster joy and promote more health and balance. I think a lot about the choices that I make, the choices that I've made, and the choices that I continue to make over and over that aren't necessarily good for me. And I often bring in tapas, which is one of the niyamas in the 8 limbs of yoga. And tapas is self-regulation, practices that get us out of our comfort zone to self-regulate our actions. But it's not about discipline or to prove anything to yourself or prove you have willpower. It's not about a goal or a resolution. Instead, the purpose of tapas and the self-regulation is to go deeper within yourself. Taking time to practice self-reflection, discernment, and even tapas helps us understand what we need, what we desire, and what we feel we deserve. I focus a lot in my teaching and my own practice on stimulating energy, moving around energy to help release toxins, to help release pent up emotions or layers of stuck energy. So I do a lot of work to remove the bad stuff, let's say. And today I want us to bring awareness and attention to filling up with good stuff. Filling up, promoting, and choosing more and more of the good stuff is the other side of the process. And that applies to whatever area of your life you choose. In that area, fill yourself with love, more and more love, forgiveness, self-care, healthy lifestyle choices. So take a moment to reflect on that area of your life and find a few words that encompass it. And create it in the form of a mantra like, I am love, or my choices bolster my health and well-being. If the words don't come out right, don't worry. This is your practice, your intention around the choices in your life that promote your highest self and your well-being. If you choose, you can also follow along with my own mantra. You can repeat after me out loud or inside your head. Again, taking on my mantra or take your own, whatever you prefer. And feel free to come back to this practice of mantra repetition and breath work anytime you need it throughout the next month, months, years, forever. So I'd like us to start with a little bit of a grounding breath work to help activate this intention setting. If you feel like you might want to change your seat, go ahead and do that now. But find a comfortable place for your body to rest and be still for the next several minutes. Bring your hands into the dhyana or the Bhairava mudra, which is just cupping one hand on top of the other, creating like a bowl, and then placing the palms that are stacked right on top of the other. Doesn't matter if the right or the left is on top, that's your choice. Let the palms then lay in the lap. This mudra represents the union of the individual with supreme consciousness. Let your body settle in. Close your eyes. Feel the withdrawal of the sense of sight. Look inward. And then begin to actively deepen your breath. As you take a breath in through your nose, fill your belly with energy and air, and then maybe carry it up to your chest, maybe the clavicle. On your exhale through your nose, feel the air energy dissipate from the chest, hollowing out the belly. Continue this elongation of your breath, deepening, slowing the breath. The inhale fills the belly, rises up to the chest. Then the exhale lowers the energy and the breath away from the chest. The belly becomes hollow. Allow the breath, the slowing, this pranayama, the manipulation, this 3-part yogic breathing, allow it to relax your mind and relax your body. The breath is our life force. The breath is our guide. Continue following your breath and begin to bring awareness to our intention around the choices we make in our lives. In this day, in this year, in this now, my intention is a practice of presence, a ritual of choices that bolster my well-being and the well-being of others. I give myself permission to find inspiration in unexpected ways, to take a step out of my comfort zone and fill my life with actions, thoughts, and choices that promote more and more of the good stuff in my body, mind, energy, and spirit. Repeat after me, or feel free to repeat your own mantra. I choose love. My choices are in harmony with my values. I choose love. My choices bolster my self-care. I choose love. My choices brighten my light. I choose love. My choices are in harmony with my values. I choose love. My choices bolster my self-care. I choose love. My choices brighten my light. I choose love. Continue repeating to yourself silently. Take 3 more rounds of your yogic breathing with the mantra in your mind. Feel on the inhale the abundance of the intention, and feel on the exhale the release into the universe, connecting to others. After your third, last round of guided breath, blink your eyes open and bring that mudra of the hands in your lap up all the way to your heart, and place your hands on your heart. Seal in the intention and seal in the practice. Bow down to your heart. Feel free to revisit and create this breath work and mudra and mantra as a guide for the choices that you make every day. Use it as a ritual, daily, weekly, whenever you need it. And thank you for joining me. Namaste.